There's nothing quite like a hearty bowl of beef stew on a chilly evening. It's a dish that speaks of warmth, comfort, and pure satisfaction. The beauty of beef stew lies in its simplicity. It's a dish that welcomes everyone, from seasoned chefs to kitchen novices. With just a handful of ingredients and a bit of patience, you can create a culinary masterpiece that will have everyone asking for seconds. The magic of beef stew lies in its slow cooking process. This allows the flavors to meld and deepen, resulting in a symphony of taste that's both comforting and satisfying. Whether you're looking for a family-friendly meal or a dish to impress your guests, beef stew is the perfect choice. So gather your ingredients, put on your apron, and let's get cooking. Before we embark on our culinary adventure, let's gather the necessary provisions. Fear not, for this recipe calls for simple, easy-to-find ingredients that are probably already gracing your pantry and refrigerator. For our beef stew, you will need beef. Choose a cut that's suitable for stewing, such as chuck or stewing beef. Vegetables, onions, carrots, and potatoes are the holy trinity of beef stew, but feel free to add your favorites like celery, mushrooms, or turnips. Liquids. Beef broth forms the base of our stew, adding depth and richness. A splash of red wine can elevate the flavors, but it's optional. Seasonings, salt, pepper, and a bay leaf are all you need to enhance the natural flavors of the stew. Feel free to experiment with other herbs and spices like thyme, rosemary, or paprika. Now that we have our ingredients prepped and ready, let's begin crafting our masterpiece. Start by browning the beef cubes in a large pot or Dutch oven over medium-high heat. This step adds a lovely depth of flavor to our stew. Make sure to brown the beef in batches to avoid overcrowding the pot. Once the beef is browned, remove it from the pot and set it aside. In the same pot, add the chopped onions, carrots, and any other vegetables you fancy. Sauté them over medium heat until they soften and release their fragrant aromas. Next, return the browned beef to the pot. Pour in the beef broth, ensuring that the meat and vegetables are fully submerged. Add a bay leaf for an extra layer of flavor. Bring the mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat to low, cover the pot, and let it simmer for at least 2 hours or until the beef is fork tender. Remember, patience is key when it comes to a good stew. The longer it simmers, the more flavorful it becomes. After hours of simmering, your kitchen should be filled with the tantalizing aroma of beef stew. Now comes the best part, savoring the moment. Ladle generous portions of the piping hot stew into bowls, making sure to include tender chunks of beef and an assortment of vegetables. For the perfect finishing touch, garnish with a dollop of sour cream or a sprinkle of fresh herbs like parsley or chives. Serve your beef stew with crusty bread for dipping or a side of mashed potatoes for a truly comforting meal.